Here is how you can get keyboard suggestions on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if it's your first time being on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more and videos and explanations like this one. So obviously open up the settings, and when you go to the general section, you'll see the keyboard menu where all of the keyboard settings are found, and obviously the suggestions can be found in here too. So the thing, it's actually not called suggestions, but it's called the predictive text. Right, so when you go through this, you can basically see it right there. So we have the section for different languages, depends on which one you use for your keyboard, but I have the one for English, and you can see that I have the predictive text, show predictions in line, checking spelling, and the slide to type are not really part of that, but that is the main stuff that you are interested in, because obviously at the top we also have the auto correction or auto capitalization, but these are not really suggestions, because when you type something wrong, it's going to just automatically correct it. But if you just want the suggestions to be in here, you can see that when I type right now in this place, it is already like trying to predict the next word above the keyboard, and I have some suggestions in here, and if I misspell something, it's not going to automatically correct it, but it's just going to give me the suggestion above the keyboard if I don't by any chance mean something else. So that is the thing that you can set up. As I said, it varies by language, so if you have more languages added to the keyboard, you might need to set it up for both. So that is all for me. I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below, and subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one.